Alright, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can stand a chance to win this ClickBinar lifetime access to our video app. Okay, so first of all you're going to do is just key in here. Okay, just click on the comment button here. And here you can see there is the box where you can fill in your text. So just key in 𝐒𝐿. And next you're going to tag your friend. Okay, I can tag my friend. Okay, tag person. Okay, this will go like this. So tag 3 person with 𝐒𝐿. Then on your keyboard tap enter, or on your mobile tap enter. Okay, so just like this, key in this keyword 𝐒𝐿 and tag 3 friends. Then the next thing is share. Okay, you can share to a group or share to a page. Alright, so what happened next is I'm going to send you this link to this post where you can take that link and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, your TikTok, your LinkedIn, or any other social media platform. Okay, so once you share to all your social media platform, and of course remember to just key in the keyword which is 𝐒𝐿. Alright, and then you tag 3 of your friends. Tag 3 friends. And then next is that I'm going to check. Then next I will going to select our lucky winner. So I will randomly pick who is the winner. Then I'm going to inform everyone in the WhatsApp group. Alright, so if you're not sure, you can let me know through WhatsApp, or you can just drop me a message. Otherwise, I'm going to check it out. If you drop your message here wrongly, I'm going to let you know that as well. Alright, so that is all for now. Just do these 4 simple steps and take care, stay safe, and I hope to see you in our offline live training, live in Penang, or maybe it could be other states, could be in KL, Johor, Kedah or Kelantan. Alright, so that's all for now for this video. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon.